Already know you.
Oh yeah, y'all, I got my It Girl shirt on. Y'all see it? I told y'all I was gonna come and I was gonna do a tutorial on this look, baby. I am giving you so year 2000s, okay, baby? This is so cute. I wish I had the little arm purse. They'll go really cute with this. I'm fucking loving these liners. I am loving BeatsbyDeb liners, y'all. They are so pretty and they are so easy to work with, girl. You did your thing when you did this, because I love them. I'm gonna definitely be playing with liners more often. Yes, they are so good to work with. Here's the look. I hope that y'all enjoy. One wing is going up higher than this one. This one going more slanted, this one going more up. Whatever. I'm giving y'all a vibe, and I would love if y'all watch this tutorial. It actually was a deeper, it was like blue and red. I thought it was like pink and blue, but it still matches. Me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back in this thing with a year 2000 mixed with a modern cut crease look. It all came together. It looks so cute. I look like a little baby doll. If y'all want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. So I have my base ready and on, applied. First color I'm going to grab is out of the Carnival palette. I'm going to go into this shade right here. Take lights out on a flat brush. Take the other palette, which is the Love Tahiti palette from Stacey Marie, and we're gonna add this blue right here. It's called the Deep. Take it on top while leaving just a little room to add the third color. This brush I'm tapping this lighter blue out with is a E27 brush. Just like this, I'm gonna do this other side. Take my BeatsbyDeb, wrong way. These are liner sets. I want to take the white one in here. Okay, white. honestly, you don't really need much paint. This coat by itself did an amazing job. I'm gonna be back when it's time to apply the base so we can add the shimmer shade. To base my lids, I'm gonna use number 4 from P. Louise. It doesn't have to be that bright because we're gonna add shimmer. Wouldn't be complete if I didn't put the glasses on. The vibe is the vibe for real. I know I had the hat too, to match the shirt.
First one, skatery vibe. Where you at, babe? You put me at the skatery. Okay, I'm gonna go. Stick it across the street. Ain't even at the skatery. They used to be so popping. Man, cracking. It's just like you a kid, you can do sneaky stuff.
You know? And it'd be fun, you know, but no one getting hurt in life. Just life, oh my god, just makes me. Anyways, I hope that y'all enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'm gonna see you dolls in the next video.
I can tell that you've been through some changes in your past relationship. Wanna be the got to be in your life. And I do. God dang. Get money, 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 money. Money, 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 money. Get money, 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 money.